Good morning. The sun has not yet risen. It's just peeping over the Vemasuk Mountains, and we're at the Berg River Resort. Welcome back to the channel. Those interested in finding their way around Cape Town, there's a map here of the journey from Cape Town International Airport to Paarl. And zooming in now on the Berg River Resort, where I spent some time in the late part of the summer. And have a look at the journey we took and the times we had there. Look at the views, enjoy what we enjoyed. I found it quite interesting that Google Maps is offering a EV charging reference point there for your journey to Paarl. Panning around gives us a view of the barricade of mountains that prevented the early pioneers, or otherwise known as the Dutch voortrekkers, from going into the interior and discovering the golden frontiers of the Transvaal. We're looking right now at Tilbach, so named after Rake Tilbach, named after the governor of the Cape in 1803. North of Paarl, it's known for producing Shiraz wines and also the Chenin Blanc. Oh my goodness, I know I said that wrong. Apologies to people who speak French. Now on the right-hand side, the Franschhoek Mountains. Beautiful in summer, just as it is in winter. In the winter, you'd be deceived to believe that that is the Alps. Yes, covered in snow in the winter, it is quite a sight to behold and worth a visit. Go on, make some time for that when you're down here. And right ahead of us now, if you wish to live in your own winelands and luxury estate, look no further. Straight ahead is the Val de Vie. And if golfing is your thing, Boshenmeer Golf Estate, straight ahead. Come with me and have a look, just past that swimming area down below there. Have a look at that as we go. Now headed back to the resort. You see where the river divides and goes both sides of the island there. We're on our way back to the Berg River Resort. Let's take the right-hand turn. Come with me this way. Let's have a look-see. What a beautiful, really delightful experience having a short vacation here. We really did find peace and quiet and rather friendly neighbors, which we really enjoyed. The campsite we chose, as you can see, was ample for 2 large tents and 2 motor vehicles. Our privately assigned braai area was just behind that tree there and was ample for all of us. As we rise above the trees now, you notice the exquisite view of the Franschhoek Mountains we had. On the left, you can see what the Berg River Resort team have done to restore the banks there after the flood damage that you will learn about when you come and chat to the guys here. A lot of plants and reeds were planted there to fill gaps and to restore the banks. Now we're looking north as the Berg River flows up there past the Boshenmeer Golf Estate, a very attractive estate to go and look at. Let's rise up and have a look at their estate there. Well, we'll sweep back towards Paarl Rock over there, the monument, and Cape Town Table Mountain in the distance. Goodbye.